My name is Pam. I was referred to Dr. Perez's office by a new dentist that I started seeing recently. When the dentist did the probing examination, he detected what he thought were periodontal issues, and he referred me to Dr. Perez. Since then, I have visited Dr. Perez's office several times. We have done 2 laser flap procedures to cure the problem that I've had. So far, everything looks really, really good. We're expecting an extremely good outcome. I think that the procedures were really painless to me. The recovery was real quick, and I didn't have any problems at all. Her staff is great. They are super friendly, super accommodating, very, very professional. Dr. Perez herself is extremely competent, very caring, and is extremely good at explaining everything that's going on. Seems to take a genuine interest in my case. I'm sure she would with all her patients. This was really important to me because I'm determined to keep my teeth, all of my teeth, and keep my gums and my teeth really, really healthy for the rest of my life. And I think we're going to be able to accomplish that. So if you need this kind of service, if you need this kind of treatment, I highly recommend her. I think she would be an excellent choice.